Yeah, good evening. You are learning collections framework. Collections framework classes and interface. How many categories? Which are the part of which package? Java.util package. Java.util package classes and interface. How many categories divided? Two categories. First one, collections framework collections. Second one, legacy collections. Collections framework collections. How many subcategories divided? Three subcategories. What is first one? Core collection interfaces. Second one, general purpose implementations. It is the most important topic. Okay. General purpose implementations. Third one, more utility collections. Okay. See, all collections framework classes and interface are in java.util package. Java.util package class and interfaces divided into two categories. Collections framework collections, legacy collection. Collection framework collection means which version onwards? 1.2 and above. Legacy means 1.0 and 1.1. Okay. Here core collection interface, how many are there? 10. Remembered? What are those? Collection. Next, list, set, map, sorted set, sorted map, sorted map. Next, navigable set. Next, navigable map. Next, queue. Next, deck. Okay. 10. General purpose implementations, how many? 10. What are those? Array list, linked list, asset, linked asset, tree set, hash map, linked hash map, tree map, priority queue. Next, array deck. See, this 10 collection theory part only you studied because that is interfaces. Those interface implemented here. These all very depth you will learn. This 10 very depth you will learn. Okay. Again, third category, 7 collections are there. This legacy collection, 8 collections are there. Total 35 collections. There are 100. 35 important. Okay. That means everything, whatever I'm teaching, that is important only. If I open java.util package, 100 packages, 100 classes and interfaces are there. But 100 no need to learn. 35 more than enough. 35. Okay. So these 10 collections you studied. It is only theory part. Now, array list, just I started, I didn't give a program. Array list. That is also not completed. Today, total time, it will take array list only. Now, very depth we'll see about array list. Now, array list I given. It is an array representation of list implementation class. It is also right answer. One more I given. It is resizable array of list implementation class. One more I given. It is an implementation of linear list data structure. Okay. Now, will it allow duplicates? Will it allow duplicates? Yes, it allows duplicate elements because it implements list interface. So list interface allows duplicate. That is the reason it is also allows. It allows null values also. It allows null values also. It supports both homogeneous elements and heterogeneous elements. So same type of elements, different type of elements. Default capacity, default initial capacity. Initial capacity is 10. Load factor. Load factor of array list is 100%. Default initial capacity of array list is 10. Say initially 10 elements memory allocated. Initially 10 elements allocated. You will insert one element, still 9 empty only. Second element will insert, still 8 empty. Like that, after filling 10 only, 11th element memory allocated. Up to that, not allocated. That is the reason it is called load factor of array list is 100%. 100% if it is filled, next memory allocated. Up to that, it won't allocate. So, first 10 elements memory allocated. One element will insert. Second element will insert. Third element will insert. Like that, up to 10 you will insert. When 11th comes, then only memory allocated. That means after filling 100%, then only allocated. That is called load factor. Okay. But some hash map is there, hash set is there. If 75% filled, again next 10 elements allocated. That type. Why? Before filling completion, before 100% only, why allocated? You'll understand there while teaching. But here, after completion of 10 elements only, next allocated. Up to that, it won't allocate memory. That is load factor. Okay. This is about array list. What are the points I given? Those all I have to explain with coding. Okay. These all I have to explain with coding. I'll open. See. Here you observe. What we'll do is array list library will open at the command prompt. Otherwise, you can see directly in the documentation also. See, just if you type java.util.arraylist, Java 8 or Java 18, like that will be there. Java 8. Here array list. Here you observe constructors. 2 constructors are there. 3 constructors are there. Okay. Now what it will do is constructs an empty list with initial capacity of 10. So if you use this constructor, 10 elements memory allocated. If you use this constructor, constructs a list containing the elements of the specified. So your collection is superclass, super interface. Any subclass you can pass. In that subclass, if 10 elements are there, 10 allocated. 5 elements are there, 5 allocated. 20 elements are there, 20 allocated. That means already data is there. We use this one. This is third one. We can specify the initial capacity. Suppose I don't want 10. I want to use only 5. You can specify according to that only allocated. Okay. Like this, 3 constructors are there. 3 constructors. Methods. All methods, instance method, concrete methods. Instance methods, concrete methods. Here, all instance method, concrete method, same is there. Static methods are not there. That's what one more is the not there tab. No, all instance method, concrete methods only. That's what there is no difference you observe. If you click on any tab, no difference. Not changed you observe. I'm clicking, but not changed. Some classes, instance method separate, concrete methods like this comes. Static method separate, instance method. If you click this one, instance only shows. Class methods not appears. If you click here, all appears. But here, only we have instance method. Those instance methods also only concrete. All methods also that one only. That's what no difference. No. These many methods are there. See. But here you observe, like this you didn't see till this diamond operator, angular brackets, you didn't see. What is that? See in a class also, see, diamond operator or angular brackets, we can say this capital E. What is this you didn't see? That we will study today. Now, here add appends the specified element to the end of the list. Add integer index element. Insert the specified element at the specified position in this list. Whatever index is specified, in that place it will be inserted. Okay. Add all. Here subclass object you can pass all elements added. Specified index added. Clear. All elements are removed. Clone. One copy created. One copy created. Clone. Now contains whether it is there or not. It will check. Ensure capacity. That capacity is there or not. Like this for every method. This is lambda expressions. Java 8 feature. Like this, what will be there is adding, removing, inserting, sorting, searching. That type operations will be there. This is all. Okay. Now, how to use? I'll explain. See, array list AL equal to new array list. First constructor called. Then 10 elements memory allocated. Array list class available in util package. Okay. Now, array list class is available in java.util package. Now that's what I imported util package. After this, you see this constructor called constructs an empty list with initial capacity of 10. So I used constructor, this constructor, 10 elements memory allocated. Okay. After this, I want to add, but add method, what it takes, you see, capital E. The Zoom is not working. Okay. See, here array list here, add method. Add method. See, add method. It will add element. But what it takes, you observe, capital E. But capital E data type is not there. No? Capital E class is not there. Okay. Present that capital E, you assume like a object class. Assume. Okay. Capital E, assume like a object class. I'll add array list reference dot add. Now I'm passing 45. Actually, just assume like a object class. Assume like a object class. What I passed? Int. Int. Think yourself and give me answer. If the parameter is object, can I pass int? Valid or not valid? Think. Now, actual parameter is object class. Okay. I am passing 45. Nothing but int. Is it valid or not valid? If it is valid, how it is valid? If it is not valid, why it is not valid? What is it? Your answer can be right or wrong, whatever it may be. Now, actually, it will take object class object, but I am passing int. What is it? Object is superclass. Superclass, right? But how it is valid? Int is not a class. Int is not a class, no? Is it class? No. Int is not a class. Integer class is there. Yeah. Here, object is superclass. Okay. Int is not a class, but you already studied integer class is there. Okay. This int automatically placed in integer. This int automatically placed in integer. This concept is called auto boxing. Auto boxing. This integer is a subclass of integer class, object class. Then this concept is called upcasting. So here two concepts are there. Auto boxing, upcasting. That's what valid. So I am passing int only 45. 45 automatically converted into integer. The process of converting primitive data type to the corresponding reference data type, it is called auto boxing. So 45 is an int type. Int converted into integer. That is auto boxing. Integer is a subclass of object. That is upcasting. Like that valid. Okay. Here al dot add one more element. 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 Okay. System dot out dot println al. Return. Here implicitly toString method called toString, but in an array list class, toString method is not there. It is alphabetical order comes. It is alphabetical order after S. T. To array, trim to size. ToString method is not there. If not there, in which class it is searched? Superclass. Array list superclass. Abstract list. I'll click that one. In abstract list also, you observe. T method not there. Not starts with T. See. Not there. If not there, again where it is search? Abstract collection. See. Last one, say toString. So which method called? This method called. What it returns? Returns a string representation of this collection. These all elements concatenated as a one string. The string printed. See, file, save. Java C demo.java. Java demo. What we are getting, see, it is not error. Note, demo.java uses unchecked or unsafe operations. To check unsafe details, you can compile like this. That is, now you will not understand. After 5-10 minutes, you'll understand. Java demo. Okay, I'll explain that one. You are getting output. Here, what are the points I given? It is an array representation of list implementation class. It is same like a array appears. It is same like a array appears. But list interface implemented. That means list functionality inherited. Resizable. Actually, how many elements allocated memory? 10. If I enter 11 elements also accepted. Now you observe. Now 15 elements. File. Save. Compilation. Again, no, resizable. That is actually 10 allocated. Later, 11th element comes, no, again 10 allocated. By that, resize, size increased. Automatically increased. So, you can do it. That is resizable. It is an implementation of linear list data structure. Actually, this is a data structure concept implemented in this class. That's what that data structure also you can call. So in a data structures, one topic, linear list, linked list, trees, graphs, maps, so many things are there. From that concept implemented in this class. That's what that class name, you can call it a linear list data structure also. It allows duplicates because it implements list interface. Duplicate is allowed. Because now 15 element, 3 times I duplicate I given. I copied. Allowed. Because list interface functionality that is. If you write null values also, it will accept. Homogeneous, same type also accepted, different type also accepted. Okay. Initial capacity 10, load factor 100%. After filling 100%, next allocated. Now in this program, homogeneous elements are given. Write it. Example 1. This notes already yesterday written. No? Now example 1. It is auto boxing. It is upcasting. In 5 lines, here auto boxing is there, upcasting is there. Here implicitly toString. AL dot toString. Here abstract collection class toString method called. Here abstract collection class toString method called. It returns string representation of elements. It returns string representation of so here like this 10 elements memory allocated. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is array list object. This object referred by AL. Now it is by default at the end only added. First 45 added here, 83 added here, 78 added here, 55 added here, 35 added here. Remaining all empty. Is it over? These are homogeneous or heterogeneous? Homogeneous, same type of elements. Okay. See here, util package imported, demo class loaded, main method called, here array list object created, then 10 elements memory allocated, and one element added like this at the end added. It is printed. While printing, toString method called. It returns string representation of elements. These all elements concatenated as a one string. That's what. No need to use for loop. Without using for loop, only it is printing. Okay. It is printing. Like this you can write. So it is homogeneous written. Heterogeneous also we can write. See, I passed int. Int converted into integer. Auto boxing. Integer assigned to object. Auto upcasting. Suppose if I pass float. Float converted into float. Auto boxing. Float also subclass of object class, no? Again upcasting. Suppose if I pass character. Char converted into character. Character also subclass of object class. If I pass string. Is it auto boxing upcasting? If I pass string. Only upcasting. No auto boxing. Auto boxing primitive type only. String is not primitive, no? String is reference. Then only auto boxing. Sorry. Only upcasting. Okay. Suppose employee class object I'll pass. Is it accepted? Yes or no? Employee class object also you can pass. Because employee also subclass of object class, no? Employee object also you can pass. Okay. See. It is homogeneous. I given. No. Heterogeneous. Different data elements. Suppose here 83.24 F. Suppose here hello. Suppose here duplicate. Duplicate also load. Suppose here null. Null also load. Okay. Say I given notes here. It allows duplicates. It allows null values. Homogeneous allowed, heterogeneous allowed. Now it is valid. See, file, save, compilation, execution. All are you getting no? So here what will happen? This int converted into integer. Integer assigned to object. Auto boxing, upcasting. This float converted into float. Auto boxing. Float assigned to object. Upcasting. But hello? Only upcasting. No auto boxing. Okay. Again here auto boxing, upcasting. But here nothing. Null. Null is stored in object directly. Object literal. Okay. Here no casting, nothing. Null only. Instead of hash code, null stored. That means there is no object. Write this one also. Example 2. Example 2. Is it over? So like this, heterogeneous, duplicate also, null value also. So I given duplicate, I given null value, I given heterogeneous. Okay. Now in interview, they'll ask one question. What is the difference between array and array list? They'll ask. I'll show you. I'll explain. See. Differences between array and array list. One side array. One more side array list. Okay, differences between array and array list. Now, first one. An array is a collection of similar data elements. An array is a collection of similar data elements. Array list. It is a resizable array of list implementation class. So it is also developed with arrays only. Resizable array. Array list class also developed with arrays only. It is a resizable array of list implementation class. List interface implemented in this class. But inside what they used, arrays only they used. Okay. That is first difference. It supports homogeneous elements only. It supports both homogeneous and heterogeneous elements. Both homogeneous and heterogeneous elements. It supports both homogeneous and heterogeneous elements. Here, size of the data is limited. So whatever you write, that is limit. While creating 10, if you write 10 is limit. 12 if you write 12 is a limit. But here no limit. Here size of the data is not limited. So here n number of elements you add, it is increased, decreased automatically. Okay. Here, example, Here also example. Array side one example, array list side one example I'll give. Is it over? No. Array size, array side, array list side I'll give. Suppose I'll create integer array some a equal to new integer of 5. I'll write. So how many elements you can store? 5 only can store. Okay. Here you observe a of 0 equal to one number. Okay. A of 1 equal to one more number. I'll write. Okay. Again, what I'll do say a of 1 equal to one more number I'll write. If you want to print, if you print a hash code printed. If you want to print, how to print? Either normal for loop or enhanced for loop. Suppose enhanced for loop. Enhanced for loop, how to write? Int b colon a. Here system dot out dot println b. What is the output comes? 35, 99, remaining all zeros. 0, 0, 0. Say 35, 99, 0, 0, 0. Okay. Now file save. Now I'll compile. This is not practical. The practical only I'm showing no. No. 35, 99, 3 zeros. See. Like this actually, what will happen? 5 elements memory located. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now array itself object. Array itself object. Integer array object. Okay. Here a. Here first by default all zeros will be there. By default all zeros only stored. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. A of 0 equal to 35. This is modified as 35. Okay. A of 1 equal to 98. It is modified as 98. But A of 1 equal to 99. Again it is modified as 99. Now int b colon a, from this one element copied in b. Output you'll get a 35, 99, 0, 0, 0. Write this one. Left side write it. Array side example. Is it over? Now this is array. Okay, same style I'll write with array list. What is the output comes, you observe. Is it over? Same style I'll write. Array list AL equal to new array list. AL dot add. First what I given there? 35. Next 98. Next 99. Like that I given. But index I specified. Okay. Now system dot out dot println AL. Now it is in util package. Import java dot util dot star. Here first what I given 0. Here also 0. Add 0 you can specify 0 comma 35. That means 0 place 35 stored. Here 1 place 98. That method also is there. See, add. This is which class? Abstract collection. That's what not there. Array list. Array list. Array list. See here. Add integer index. You can specify index also, no? No. See, add 0 place 35. 1 place 98. Again what I written? 1 place 99. I written. Now what will happen? See. 0 place 35, 1 place 98, 1 comma 99. Here also you can use enhanced for loop. Same. Integer some x equal to x colon array list. From that array list, one element it will take. That will apply. System dot out dot println x. Now what is output come? See. File save. Compilation. Object incompatible type. That is diamond operator. I said no. That is required. This I didn't explain till. That is with that was possible. Otherwise, explicit conversion required. Okay, present we'll see this one only. The diamond operator if apply it works. File save. Otherwise, object we have to write. Say compilation, execution. What you are getting? 35, 99, 98. So a different output coming. You observe. Actually, what is happening? See here. How many elements memory allocated? 10 elements allocated. 10. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 elements memory allocated. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. This is array list object. This is array list object. This object referred by AL. This object referred by AL. Now, what I said, 0 place 35 I said. Then 0 place 35 stored. 1 place 98 I said. So 1 place 98. 98. But 1 comma 99, if I write, what will happen? This data shuffled. This is comes here. So 98 comes here. Then 1 comma 99. This is here 99 comes. So data shuffled here. This 99, this 98 it comes here. 98 comes here. That is now it will become 99. That is the reason you are getting output 35, 99, 98. Output you are getting 35, 99, 98. Your data shuffled. If you want to modify there only, other method is there. Set method is there. With that we can modify. But if you write like this, what will happen? Data shuffled. Suppose 1000 elements are there. 1000 elements. 0 place, if you write one more number, these all elements shuffled 1000 times. The logic already written. Okay. If you want to modify there, separate method is there. Set method is there. With that we can modify. Write this one example. Array list side. Array list side. This example note down. Right side. So arrays and array lists are not same. Over. So array list object created, 10 elements memory allocated. Like here data shuffled. Data shuffled. That is the reason 35, 99, 98. Diagram also note down. It is supporting heterogeneous also. That example you have seen. Homogeneous also. That example also you have seen. Duplicates also. That is also you have seen. Null also you have seen. Okay. Difference between array and array list also you have seen. Next. Now say here al dot add 5 comma one number I'll write. It is error because sequence missed. It is maintain sequences. It is exception comes. File, save. Now first time 0 place you can add. Second time 0 place you can add, 1 place you can add. Third time 0, 1, 2. Next time 0, 1, 2, 3. Next time that is maintained. If you write directly 5, it's an error. See, file, save. Here, if I compile, execute, then error comes. See, index out of bounds exception. So program successfully compiled, but we got an error. Index 5, size 3. So 3 elements are there because 3 elements already added. So next time if you want to add, here already 3 elements are there. If you want to add, you can write now here 0 valid, 1 valid, 2 valid, 3 valid. Now other than these 3, if you write error. If I write 0, what is output comes? That is shuffled again all. First what it comes? 23 comes. Okay. Like this, 1 also valid, 2 also valid, 3 also valid. Now 4 if I write error, 5 if I write error. Now like this, very first time 0 only valid. Very first time 0 valid. If you write 1 also error. Very first time 0. Second time 0 valid, 1 valid. Third time 0 valid, 1 valid, 2 valid. Like that. Okay. Now suppose I'll create one array list. I'll create an array list. EL equal to new array list. I'll create. Okay. If I write like this, what will happen? Say actually, I want to maintain student marks. Like this, I'm adding student marks. By mistake, if I write string, is it allowed or not? Allowed. This actually, it is not recommended. Say, suppose it's a one graphical user interface. It's a one graphical user interface. Okay. Here, student hall ticket number. Name of the student. Just marks of the student. Only hall ticket number, marks. Okay. Hall ticket number, marks of the student. Suppose one data entry operator is going to enter the data. Now, data entry operator, it is going to enter. He'll enter hall ticket number, he'll enter marks, he'll click submit button. Okay. Again, he'll enter hall ticket number, he'll enter marks, he'll click submit button. Again, he'll enter hall ticket number, marks, submit button. Suppose by mistake, here name entered. By mistake, marks place, student name entered. That is backside array list program is there. Will it accept or not? Accept. That is not recommended style, no? Say, if it is accepted, the data entry operator, many times they may do mistakes. Okay. If error comes, at least we'll concentrate. Okay. That is the reason this program is called unsafe. See, file, save. If I compile, you are getting unsafe. Unsafe means it is not security program. type unsafe, data type unsafe. So actually, I want to maintain only marks. Marks, which type will be there? Integer type. It should allow only integer type. If I enter other than integer, we have to display error. That is required. That purpose, we required generics. Next heading, generics. Okay, before 1 minute. This is write it better. What you do is, don't write generics heading. Just if you already written means strike out. You write system.out.println AL. Now write this one. I'll give a description. Write this example. You write this example, I'll give a description. Just after writing program, note down. In the above example, array list object is unsafe because it allows all types of data. In the above example, array list object is unsafe because it allows all types of data. In the above example, array list object is unsafe because it allows all types of data. See, type actually, suppose you want to maintain employee numbers. All employee number int type only will be there, no? All employee names string type only will be there, no? One particular type only should allow. But if I enter any other type, it should show error. If error comes, at least data entry operator he can concentrate. Otherwise, he will do many mistakes also. Okay? For how to write type safe. That purpose generics required. You write. To write type safe programs, we use generics. To write type safe programs, we use generics. So these generics required. This is, I'll explain tomorrow. It is diamond operator, angular brackets, that is. So this feature introduced in 1.5 version. This is, I'll explain tomorrow class. How to write type safe programs. Okay. The difference already I given, I removed. That I didn't save. Array and array list difference, I didn't save. The diagram removed. We'll see continuation tomorrow. Program. This program. Differences between array and array list, that is diagram I removed, not saved. One minute, wait. Any other doubts? Any other doubts? No doubts? We'll see continuation tomorrow. Yeah, class is completed. Tomorrow we'll see continuation. Generics I'll teach tomorrow.